Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video you'll be notified. Okay, and remember to share with your friends and also people that you know they like to watch unboxing video. Okay, as you can see, I'm still wearing this same Mosquito tracksuit. Yeah, because I framed the video together at the same time. Okay, and if you guys yet to watch my unboxing video of this huge haul of luxury item that I bought from Farfetch, all those clothing ready to wear, you can watch back my last video. Okay, as you guys can see from the heading, today I want to share with you guys I got two unboxing of this Alexandra McQueen sneaker. Yeah, but because I already wore a couple of times before I filmed this video, because I was quite busy and I do not have the time to video it, but I wear the shoe already, sneaker already. So today I just want to share with you guys what I got and how is it look like, and how is it like everything. Yeah, okay, so okay, let's start with the video. Actually, yeah, you can see I got two boxes. It's the same. I shall show you guys later on. Okay, so actually this one, the packaging, the box is in silver color. You can see the paper bag is like in silver. Then they so-called embossed Alexandra McQueen, but you must see nearer, then you'll see. If not, you just see a plain gray color paper bag and also the box. Okay, let me show you guys nearer the box. How does it look like first? Okay, so this is how the box look like. Okay, so this is written Alexandra McQueen. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it. Okay, so because it's embossed exactly on the gray box, the same color, so you can't really tell. Yeah, so this is how the box look like. Okay, so let me show you what did I got it. Okay, so basically it come with a dust bag. Yeah, I think it's only one dust bag. So this is how the dust bag look like. It's also in gray in color, and also they printed on Alexandra McQueen on the dust bag. It's also gray in color. Let me show you nearer. So it comes with only one dust bag. So this is how the dust bag look like. Okay, so it's gray in color and Alexandra McQueen. Okay, so now let's move on. And this one, the tissue is like gray in color. So it's like so-called how do I call it? It's not zebra print, but it's something so-called, yeah, quite similar. Yeah, okay, so this is my sneaker. Okay, actually this is like a bit oversized sneaker, so-called, yeah, this design is I think it's one of the chunky sneaker, just like the Balenciaga Triple S, but it's not that chunky, but it's also pretty big. Yeah, I think the sneaker name is called oversized sneaker. Yeah, so actually it's calf leather. So, and the sole is also in white in color. Yeah, so, and it's cut big with calf leather. Yeah, and okay, Actually, for this design, I think this is so-called, this is their sneaker. This is their most popular one, I think. Yes, this is the most popular design for Alexander McQueen. And actually, you can see, actually it's all white, but it's just that the behind here on the back, it will be different color. Yeah, so depend on which season and what color you would like. So I know that they got yellow, they got pink, blue, yeah, etc. Yeah, so it's depend on which color you prefer and you get at the season. I think different season they'll change different color. And one good thing about this sneaker is slightly higher, so it will give you a bit of height. If you're not that tall and you want to be taller, you can wear this sneaker. I think it will be give you up to 3 cm, almost 3 cm. You can see the sole is around 3 cm. So this is how it look like. Okay, so basically this sneaker, I would say very friendly. The first time I tried is a bit pain, but after that I wear a couple of times, like 2-3 times, yeah, it will be quite seasoned and you will feel it very comfortable. And this one, I think it's true to size. You can just get just to what your size is. Yeah, for me is I'm wearing 45. So let me show you nearer how the shoe look like. Okay, so basically this is how the sneaker look like. Okay, so this is the front part. Here on the tongue, they written Alexander McQueen. Yeah, and the lace is white in color. And this is a calf leather. Yeah, and the sole is rubber. As I mentioned, this one, you can see the sneaker. This one is different color. Mine is, I got the black because I think it's quite basic and also it's quite easy to go with. So then it's here printed on Alexander McQueen on the back or on the shoe. Okay, and sorry, the bottom is maybe a bit dirty. So this is how, because I already worn like a few times, so this is how the sole look like. Yeah, okay, and here is written here Alexander McQueen. Yeah, so basically this is how it look like. Okay, so you guys can see the sole is quite thick. Yeah, but I can tell you this sneaker is easy to match, and I think a lot of people they got this sneaker also. Yes, okay. So now let's move on to the another sneaker. I think you guys will be quite shocked. Okay, let me share with you guys what I got also. Okay, basically I got another pair. It's the same as the other design. This one, yeah, it's the same, but now this pair I got it is in gold in color. Okay, so basically the detail is all the same. Okay, except the back here, I think to me I quite like this design, and I got the basic color, which I think is easy to match, black and also gold. It's very classic color and you never go wrong. So this is, let me show you how the gold color look like. Okay, so this is the gold color one, and here they was printed on same Alexander McQueen. Okay, so the rest of that is the same. Okay, yep, you can see a bit dirty here already because I already worn both. Also I worn already, you can see. Yeah, so both is the same pair. Okay, thank you guys for watching my this so-called sharing and unboxing of this video. So if you guys like my video, remember to click the like button, and so that you give me more motivation to share with you more unboxing video. And also remember to subscribe if you yet to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.